6. Weather message. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest, southwest and western Pennsylvania, east central Ohio and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From 10 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Now here is the synopsis.